Hello students, welcome to my channel Learner's Nest. Our today's topic is note making. Note making is a very important part in English paper. In class 11 it carries 8 marks and in class 12 it is also of 8 marks. There is a distinction in the division of marks in note making. In class 11, 5 marks are for notes and 3 for summary. But in class 12, 4 plus 4 means 4 for notes and 4 for summary. Now this again is divided. 1 mark is for title, 2 marks are for notes and abbreviation key carries 1 mark. In note making, when we make notes, proper indentation should be there. That also gives weightage. Summary is of 4 marks and the summary word paragraph should not exceed 100 words. Now in order to begin with note making, the foremost thing is to write down the title. So the word title, the spelling should be written and a colon, then the title should be given, which is the most appropriate to the given passage. It should not exceed more than 3 to 4 words. To begin with notes, we begin normally a paragraph, the passage which is given for note making, it can be or it cannot be divided into various paragraphs. Even if paragraphs are not there, it depends upon the person how to make notes. You must remember, children, that notes are made for your betterment because you are able to write down the short points and you can recall them whenever required. This is not only going to help you in English, but it is going to help you in other subjects as well. So to begin with notes, long sentences and punctuation marks are avoided. Only phrases are to be written. No examples and no explanations. We begin with 1 point which is written outside the margin line. Suppose the first paragraph is of introduction of the passage. So we just write it in short. And we further divide it into subsection 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and if the third point requires another subsection, so we divide it again. In between these notes, we are free to make abbreviations of the long words or the symbols in case of abbreviations. We can write them accordingly and similarly for the next paragraph also. Remember one thing, that even if the passage is divided into say 6-7 paragraphs, but still you have to make them in 4 to 5 points, not more than 4 to 5 points, because this is only of 8 marks. If you are going to spend more time on note making, you won't be able to finish your paper. Now I have used here numerals, but you can use alphabets also and divide it into various subsections. So it depends upon your wish. Then comes after the note, you are going to make the abbreviation key or the key to abbreviation. You can either put it in a box or you can leave it, it is up to you. Abbreviations should be minimum 4 to 5, but if you make more, then you are going to waste a lot of time. So I would prefer to make just 4 to 5 abbreviations, those 2 which you have used in the passage, in the notes, and then you divide it accordingly. Now I have used here short forms of the long words. Some children are in the habit of making just symbolized abbreviations, like when we use say and, or we can say government. These are standardized abbreviations, so it's not important to use them. You must use abbreviations for long words which will help you save time. So after making this, then you go on to the summary part. Summary should be a short passage of 100 words and it should include all the main points, avoiding examples, and details should not be there. No references, only main points which you have marked or written in the notes. I would like to show you one paragraph. This is the passage which you have to select, which has been selected for note making, and you have to make notes for this. As you can see, it is divided into 6 paragraphs. But it is important that you have to underline just main paragraphs. So from the first passage only you will come to know what is the title of the passage. So you must first write down the title. Like this paragraph is about Sikkim. So as you can see, note making has been done here. So unique grandeur and ambience of Sikkim. Remember this thing, children, questions will be given to you and you have to do it accordingly. But remember, these word meanings are only given in your reference books, they won't be given in your papers. So title has been given and abbreviations have been used and proper indentation has been done, right? Here key to abbreviation is on the right side, but this is wrong. You have to make it below the notes. After this note making, there is a short paragraph which denotes the summary of the whole passage, of the whole notes. So as you can see, it's a best example. Please go through it, and if you like my channel, do subscribe it. Thank you.